in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in the medium road. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian. Wanna fat pretty like my got.
Hi guys, today we're hopping straight in. Today's unit was sent over from Gorgius.com and it goes by the name of Rectangular Scalp Swiss HD Lace Yaki Straight Bob Wig with Bang. This unit does come in 3 different lengths, 10, 12, and 14 inches. I am currently wearing the 14 inch. As you can see, it comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, the other 2 in the very front. It also has the adjustable straps and of course the security band as well. Gorgius is known for their glueless units and this one is no different, but it does have a little bit of lace. They call it a rectangular scalp, which is basically a piece of Swiss lace cut out into a rectangle and put on the very top to give a very scalp-like appearance. The texture of this unit is yaki straight, giving very much so silk press, and the density on her is 180% density, so it's very full and thick, pretty much mimicking 4B4C hair. Now most times I like to wash my units before installing them, but this time I wanted to show you guys how this is really a throw on and go type of unit. Gorgius says that this unit should only take you 5 minutes to install, and honestly I feel like it should take you less than that. In my opinion, the only reason why it would take you 5 minutes for this unit is if you had to flat iron it. As you can see, my unit did come with a couple of waves in the unit along with the shaggy bang, but I just took my Conair flat iron and knocked those straight out. Now keep in mind, this flat iron does go up to 455 degrees and I had it turned all the way up, not realizing that until I started to burn my hand, but as you can see, the hair took the heat so well. Also take note that I did not add any product to this unit whatsoever, so the luster and the sheen on her are just perfect. It's giving very natural, very healthy, beautiful hair. So I posted a picture of me wearing this unit earlier on Instagram, and if you're not following me, you should be following me. It is at Dotson. Shameless plug. But someone asked if this would fit a 22.5 inch head, and I would say yes. I always joke about how I have a big head, and this unit fits very nicely and very comfortably. Honestly, I think I could have possibly even tightened it a bit. Now, I know there's going to be somebody in the comments who asked if I cut the bang. No, I did not cut the bang whatsoever. I literally took this unit out of the box, straightened her, and that was it. When it comes to straightening the bang, make sure you don't bump it too hard. I mean, if that's your thing, by all means go for it. But if you want that very sleek look, I would recommend just straightening the bang and then at the very, very, very end, just doing like a little bump, if that even makes sense. Lastly, let's talk about the price of this unit. Depending on the length that you get her in, she can range from $100 to $140, but if you use my code TAN17, that should save you some money off. So yeah, my overall thoughts on this unit is that she's perfect for beginners and pros because she's the perfect throw on and go. No need to worry about sprays and glues, the melting of lace, your lace lifting, none of that. Also, the unit is very breathable. I did wear it out in the summer heat and I stayed pretty cool. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I'll make sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box below, along with all of the other information. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe before you leave. And I don't really have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.